The GoPro Hero 12 Black is the latest action camera from GoPro, released in 2023, and it builds on the brand's legacy of providing high-performance, rugged cameras for action sports, travel, and content creation. It brings several enhancements over its predecessors, focusing on better image quality, longer battery life, and more versatile features. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Key features and specifications. Video resolution and frame rates. The Hero 12 Black supports video recording up to 5.3K at 60 fps and 4K at 120 fps. This allows for crisp, high-definition video with smooth motion even in fast-paced scenarios. It also offers 8x slow motion capabilities when recording in 2.7K at 240 frames per second. Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization. GoPro's renowned hypersmooth stabilization is improved with version 6.0, providing ultra-smooth video even in high-intensity conditions like running or biking. This advanced stabilization significantly reduces shakiness, making it ideal for action-packed shots. Enduro battery. The Hero 12 Black comes with an upgraded Enduro battery, which provides longer recording times compared to previous models. With this battery, you can expect over 2.5 hours of continuous recording at 1080p 30, making it perfect for extended shoots or long travel sessions. Rugged and waterproof design. Like its predecessors, the Hero 12 Black is designed to be durable and can withstand tough environments. It's waterproof up to 10 meters, 33 feet, without needing an additional housing, making it great for underwater photography or capturing content in the rain or snow. Audio and connectivity. The Hero 12 supports Bluetooth audio, allowing you to connect wireless microphones or Bluetooth-enabled headphones, like AirPods, for improved sound quality and hands-free control. This is especially useful for vloggers or content creators who want to capture high-quality audio without